in here? Is there stuff in your stocking, sweetie? What else is in your stocking? Oh, you're like, I've got a plow, I'm good. I got a plow, I'm good. What else is in here? What's in there? Oh, there's a horsey. Yes. There's another horsey for your collection. Is that a horsey? Hi, Area Kitty. You already had your presents. Yes, you did. Is there anything else in it? What else is in there? Huh? What's in there? There's more stuff in there. Oh, yes, there is. There's a whole bunch of little toys in there. Yes, there are. Yeah. That's a crane and a... Oh, what's that? That's a plow. Oh, no, it's a front end loader. Oh, there's more stuff. Yeah? There's more stuff. What's in there? What's in there? Did you get it out? Is there stuff in it? I think there's still stuff in there. What's in there? Oh, what's in there? Area sweetie, get that out. There we go. Okay. We're going to put it back in? Hi, Area Kitty. I love you too. Yeah, silly kitty. Oh, you going to put it back in? It's a mouse. It's a little monkey. See? He goes, I'm a mousey. Yeah. What else is in here? Can you put it up? Oh, you'll drive on it now. Okay. Yeah, I know. She keeps getting us with his tail. Hi, Area Kitty. I love you too. What's this? It's a snowman. And I think there's still one more thing in there. Yeah, there's a little mousey. What's that? Oh, there's two more things in there. Ah, there you go. Yes, asphalt drum compactor. It's a mini asphalt drum compactor. And what's that? Oh, another dump truck. Yay! Yeah, there you go. Yes! Look at that, it's a front end loader. It moves around too. They're little tiny ones, aren't they? Let me let Boo out. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. There you go. Good morning, good kitty. Merry Christmas. You got a lot of them, don't you? Uh-huh. Good morning, kitty. Yes, we have that for you too. There you go. Kitty, here's your guys' stocking. There's your dinner. Yummy dinner. Look what Mommy has for you. Look what else Mommy has for you. Yummy. Big kitty, no. Yes, you finally got your mouses, huh? Yeah. Very good. Everybody's got their stockings. Yes, I hear you, kitty. Merry Christmas, kiddo. Yeah, it's an asphalt drum compactor. It's an asphalt drum compactor, isn't it? It's a Caterpillar asphalt drum compactor, which is very cool. There's your stocking, girls. Don't hog it all, Boo Kitty. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. Yeah, asphalt drum compactor. Well, you're really liking those mouses, aren't you? Hi, Trini Kitty. Merry Christmas. There you go, girls. Are you eating the tree again, Ari? Yum. Yeah. Is that your crane? That's a crane. Woohoo! It's a little crane. Yes, and that's a front end loader. That's a little front end loader. Yeah? Yeah, and that's a crane. That's a crane. Oh no, that's not a crane. That's an excavator. He's like looking at it like, huh? Mom, he's just waking up, sweetheart. That's your excavator. Yes, and it's a front end loader. It's so cool. That's cool. Yes, it's a front excavator. Here you go, Trini. Merry Christmas. You eating all the tails off of the mice there, Boo Kitty? You're a silly kitty cat. Yeah. Dee 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 dee. Hi, you. Dee 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 dee. Yeah, that's it. Yes, that's your asphalt drum compactor. Yes, that is. That's a very cool one. And that's your front end loader. Let's go. Is this your little? Yeah, there's your little mousey too. Because you're gonna play with those. Yeah, it's the asphalt drum compactor. And we'll save the presents till Daddy gets up. Yeah. Yeah. Because Santa put them in the basement for now. He said, let Daddy sleep. Yeah, that's a bulldozer. Bulldozer. It's got tracks. Well, it sort of has tracks. It's got wheels too. Yeah, that's very cool. Oh, that's the kitties. But it's okay. You can stack them if you want to. They look like little wheels, don't they? Those are for the kitties, yes. Alright, let's get you some breakfast, okay? Yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody.